Here's how to fix failed to send text messages in Android. Now, if you keep trying to text someone, but it keeps failing, it won't go through, or someone tries to text you and it won't go through, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing it will do is head into the Messages app itself. Once you're in the Messages app, you're going to tap on your profile at the top right. And we'll get into the settings here. So at the very bottom, tap on Messages Settings. Once you're in here, the first thing to check is to make sure the RCS chats and SMS chats are enabled correctly. So tap on RCS chats at the very top. Now, of course, you can see turn on RCS chats. I would recommend enabling this if it isn't already. Essentially, this allows you to have rich text messages. But a key that a lot of people miss is the automatically resend as text SMS. If this is turned off, if RCS is not available, it won't just switch over to a regular SMS text message. So make sure to turn this on and hit allow so that it switches to just an SMS if need be. Now, the next thing that we'll do is hop out of here and we'll go into your settings itself. So let's swipe up from here and tap on the gear or settings icon. From here, we're going to do a few different things. The first thing we'll do is we'll go down and find the option for apps and tap on that. Now from apps, let's scroll down until we find the option for messages. And there it is. Tap on messages. And from here, let's just scroll down until we get to storage and tap on that. You're going to both clear the cache and clear the data. So tap on clear cache and clear data. Now, keep in mind when you do this, it won't delete any of your text messages, but it will bring the Messages app back to factory default, a lot of times fixing any bugs or glitches in that messaging app. The next thing I would recommend doing is going back out of here. Let's go back to the very beginning here, swipe up to the top, and tap on Connections here at the top. From here, we need to check to see if there's an issue with your SIM card. So tap on SIM Manager here, and here you can see is my SIM card. Just toggle it off if you have an eSIM, or if you have a physical SIM, basically remove that SIM card and put it back in, and then just turn it back on. And this will re-enable everything, re-enable your connection to the local network and the cell tower nearby. If that doesn't fix it, let's go back out of here, back again, and then from the very beginning, let's just scroll down until we find the option for General Management and tap on that. From General Management, let's just scroll down and tap on Reset here. And then from here, let's scroll down. We're not going to reset everything, but I would reset the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings as well as the mobile network settings. So first tap on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and hit Reset. Now it will reset all of those Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings back to factory default. And then let's go back here and reset the mobile network settings. Again, hit reset here and you should be good to go. You've reset everything and reset that Messages app. You should be able to send and receive text messages like normal. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.